Hi, it's Lou Manfredini, Ace's home expert. In this video, we're going to help you choose the right garbage disposal. So in front of me, I have examples of 3 different disposals, and while they all kind of look similar, you can see the sizes do kind of go from small to big, and that represents the difference in the size of the motor that's operating the disposal. Our first one here is 1/3 of a horsepower motor, second one is 1/2 horsepower, and the third is 3/4. If you're someone that spends a lot of time in the kitchen, then a larger unit like this 3/4 horsepower makes a lot of sense. It really is designed for a lot of use and would also be one that you could use in a commercial application. The 1/2 horsepower disposal is probably what most of us will be using and is very sufficient for everyday use. If you don't use it a lot, you don't want to spend a lot of money, this 1/3 of the horse also is a very good unit. It's just not designed for excessive use day after day after day. When you're considering choosing a disposal, also pay attention to the size of the body of the unit. You see, as they get larger, the body gets bigger, and you want to make sure that this fits with how the plumbing is set up underneath your sink base, as well as how much you store inside that cabinet. Now, it doesn't matter the size of the disposal underneath the mounting ring. These are universal and will fit into standard kitchen sinks for mounting. So either one of these, even though you see the lower units larger, these fit standard sinks. One side note, remember that a garbage disposal, though it says garbage, is not intended for you to put everything down the drain. It's for food scraps that don't end up going in the garbage. Too many food scraps can actually cause a problem in your plumbing system. By using these disposals properly, you'll be able to handle all those food scraps and keep the water flowing freely. And that's it. Now, if you need more information, you can always go to our website, acehardware.com, or visit your local neighborhood Ace Hardware store, because Ace is the helpful place.